How to unarchive conversations on Signal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to restore an archived conversation, then firstly, open the Signal application on your device and log into your account. Once you are logged into the chat screen, tap on Archived Chat section. Now on the next page, you'll see the list of chats that has been archived. Press and hold a conversation or chat you want to unarchive, and in the pop-up, click on Unarchive. Repeat this step for every other conversations you want to unarchive. Now if you get back to your chat screen, you'll be able to see that your conversations has returned to your main chat list. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.